Mga kaibigan, ang ating Best Actor nominee para ngayong gabi si Elijah Tagliafico.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa Eddies for the nomination. Again, hindi ako naka-attend last year when I won.
2023 Best Actor.
But I mean, I'm happy to be here now.
So last year, ang iyong napanalunan ay Best Actor.
Yes, yes.
O, tapos ngayon, for what movie last year?
For Blue Room.
Okay, ngayon naman, nominated ka ulit, Best Actor ulit for Keys to the Heart. Tama ba?
For Keys to the Heart. Na first nomination ko actually for Keys to the Heart. Kasi usually like, it's a streaming movie, it's a Netflix original. Kaya hindi ata na-recognize ng ibang award-giving bodies. But I'm happy I got nominated and recognized for Keys to the Heart.
Guys, ano yung motivation mo para ma-nominate o para mapansin ang iyong pag-arte? Meron bang ganon bilang artista? Is there a formula or is there a way? Meron bang tawag dito,